The Jonbuoy Recovery Module is an effective man overboard recovery device designed and developed by Ocean Safety. On discovering a man overboard, deployment of the Jonbuoy is an easy process. Simply by pulling a lever, the Jonbuoy will enter the water and self-inflate. Points to note already are that the Jonbuoy, having inflated, is clearly visible in a bright reflective yellow fabric. The container halves remain attached to the module, together with a sea anchor, to prevent high rates of drift in strong seaways and stronger winds. On reaching the Jonbuoy, with its low freeboard, the casualty can pull themselves aboard and turn to lie horizontally in the module. This has a number of immediate benefits. Firstly, the casualty can be more easily seen lying as they are in the brightly coloured yellow module. Secondly, and more importantly, the casualty is held out of the water itself. The human body's temperature cools 24 times faster when immersed in cold water than it does in the air alone. This very fact helps delay the onset of the symptoms of hypothermia, allowing the casualty a much greater chance of satisfactory recovery. On board the Jonbuoy Recovery Module is a small throwing quoit attached to 15 meters of webbing line. This can be passed or thrown to the rescuing boat, at which point attachment to the boat will ensure that the Jonbuoy Recovery Module and its passenger are safe. Here we can see the module itself being pulled along the vessel to a point at which rescue can be attempted. In this case, the rescuer is using a spare halyard, spinnaker or genoa, together with a handy billy arrangement which will provide a much greater mechanical advantage when lifting. You can see it's a relatively simple process for our smaller crew member to bring the larger crew member back to a position where he can be recovered on board. All in all, the Jonbuoy Recovery Module can form a very important part of the plans of any crew preparing to attempt a recovery of a man overboard.